Welcome back to another episode, guys. This week we are in Broome. We've just been staying in a van park, exploring around. We just did a little walk, but we'll take you back to the start.
Enjoy, guys. Well, this is us. We're at the Broome Vacation Village. I'm just about to pull the tinny off now. We got in here yesterday. Went around, checked the place out. Bloody unbelievable, hey? Like the beaches and the scenery and all that is just insane. Like all the rocks and all that around the beaches, just so sick. Absolutely love the place. And we've got some pretty unreal weather. Apparently there's quite a few fish around, but there's also a few sharks around as well, so could be a little bit interesting. Righto, well we are at Gantheaume Beach. We went over to Cable Beach to cook this amazing meal that we're about to cook up, but it was just that windy that we just come over to this one. Basically, if you look over there, as far as you can see is Cable Beach, but we come back over this side. It's just a little bit more protected out of the wind, and we can park the car just to block it a little bit as well. But how's this? Like, we got the beach behind us, absolute killer sunset, and some squid rings. So we'll throw them all in. And this should be an absolute beaut meal, I reckon. Pretty stoked. How good's living? This is what travelling Australia is all about, eh? How bloody good. I'm so stoked. Got a beer. We're on. Bit of music in the background. Too good, eh? Too good. Tell you, if that's not living, I don't know what is. Even got a little beer to wash it down with. Cheers, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, eh? This is actually the same beach that we're going to launch the tinny in tomorrow. So we'll see you back here then, eh? Tell you what, that was the best beach launch I think I've ever done. The sand down here is like a highway. It's like, reminds me a little bit of Hideaway Bay. So good. But a little wave rolling in, but it's literally nothing at all. Just holding the boat out here, waiting for Kate to come back. And yeah, we're just going to send it, oh, not really that far offshore. We'll just go for a bit of a look, have a bit of a look on Navionics and see what we find. It's a bit of a recce today. See you out there. Rip, 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 rip. You gotta be quick.
Oh, was that it?
No.
No.
Look, there's a chance this might not be a shark, but
I'm pretty sure it's a shark.
keep going, keep going. You're getting that, you're getting that,
How's
keep going.
Broken?
See, it might not be a shark. Oh, yep, there was a shark. Oh well, that's Kate's fishing day's done. She's gonna be sore now.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, one of those weird fish. I don't know. Gave it some heat though. Don't judge me, you gotta. There's that many sharks, you've just gotta give them everything. Good luck down there, fella. Need bigger ones. No idea what that fish is. Bye, dude. Righto, well that is a wrap for the fishing this morning. We didn't really do that well. We didn't actually put anything in the esky. We caught plenty of little fish and got tailed up by the sharks a few times, but hey, that's fishing. What an absolute freaking unbelievable spot though. So sick. I'm not even devo that we didn't catch anything because who cares? It was awesome. And there was actually a couple of sharks and mackerel and stuff circling our boat as well, which was pretty cool. But yeah, might try a creek next time, I reckon. Alright, note to self, let your tyres down before you get on the beach. Nah, it's not really too bad. It's I was actually just cruising, looking at the ocean and all that, and I was like, oh, a bit boggy, I better stop. So it's all good. I don't really know, we're at Coconut Wells. We've never been here before, don't know too much about the place. Yeah, we're just going to go for a bit of an explore. Apparently there's a bit of swimming in a rock pool or something like that here, so we'll drop down onto the beach and see what we find. See you down there. Do you want the Max Tracks? And that is why you pay $200 for your set of Max Tracks. I'll tell you what, when you don't have a winch or anything like that, pretty easy recovery really. And let your tyres down before you get on the beach. And actually concentrate on what you're doing and not just looking at the ocean.
Pretty, huh?
Very pretty. So in one of these rock pools I've just spotted a little octopus. They're so bloody hard to spot, and to be honest, this is the first one I've ever actually spotted, but I'm positive it's an octopus. And I'm going to poke him with this. I'll get Kate to zoom in on it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Look at him changing colour. It's so cool though, I've never spotted one before.
Imagine if that grabbed onto your foot.
That is sick. Leave him be. See if we can find another one. Well, this morning we are out at Gantheaume Point. This place is pretty unreal, hey, the red dirt, red rocks and all that out onto the water. We're here at low tide, and apparently there's a bit of a rock pool, and we're sort of walking towards it now from the car park. What was it called, Kate?
Anastasia's pool.
Anastasia's pool. Old mate that lived here built it for her apparently. So when we find it, we'll show you, but it's meant to be pretty specky. Even just walking around here is pretty damn good, to be honest with you. it turns out that the Anastasia's pool is probably best viewed at high tide. We're here at pretty much dead low tide. So the water's like meters away from any rock pool around here. But anyway, all good. Absolutely amazing spot. I reckon we're gonna have to come back here and do a sunset. And it's only like, well, it's right in Broome basically. So it's yeah, nice and easy to get to, this one. Probably like a K of dirt road, and it was pretty corrugated, but yeah, it's not very far, so it's all good. Oh, well, today we have come adventuring. Adventure Oz, you know it. Where are we? We're at Crab Creek Road. It's probably on the southern side, I think. Yeah, it's more or less on the southern side of Broome. Road in, pretty average, so I don't think we're going to go all the way, but there is a bird observatory just down the road a little bit. No free camping, anything like that around here. It's all day use stuff. But I tell you what, it's pretty epic, hey? Like, really cool. And we got a little iced coffee as well on the way. Check the little seat out. What do you reckon?
Cute.
Pretty cute?
Water's pretty.
Yeah, water's so good.
I think it's technically Roebuck Bay.
There you go, Roebuck Bay. There's, I'll get the drone up, I reckon. I'll get the drone up and we'll go for a bit of a look around. Tell you what, one of these days I'm gonna pull a mud crab out of one of these rocks, hey? Like, that is my mission in life.
Just to put it back.
Yeah, I just want to catch one. I don't eat them, I just love catching them, and I like, how could there not be a mud crab around these rocks? Oh, I will get one. Stay tuned, I'm gonna get one. And instead of finding a mud crab, we found something else. Let me just sneak around to him. Pretty cool. I don't really want to disturb him too much because apparently this is what they do. They like to just sit up in the mangroves and rest. Have a go at it. It's a little turtle. Hello, buddy. Oops, lost my hat. Well, we'll back off and leave him alone. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Keep hunting for a mud crab. Right, well, I just slipped over looking for a mud crab. Don't advise walking on like muddy rocks with barnacles all over it, because I avoided the barnacle, slipped over, landed on my hand, just like ripped it to shreds. I think we're going home. Let's go wash this out and go home. She's a decent cut. There you go. And I got a wet bum. All for a mud crab that I don't bloody eat. What am I thinking?
30?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty deep and full of shit. Betadine. Alrighty.
This morning we are doing a quick walk. It's about 550 metres, 20 minutes one way. I think it's pronounced Minya Park. There seems to be a series of little walks up the sand dunes with one main track, but we're just doing one of them this morning. It's pretty hot. It's about 9:30 and 30 degrees already. We did set an alarm for this morning, but we didn't get up. So yeah, Joe's not real thrilled.
It's hot. Nah, it's all good. Got this little staircase to get up now, and yeah, we'll see you at the top. Not bad. Pretty easy little walk.
Yeah, it took us like not even 10 minutes from the car park, but you can keep going down to the beach, but we don't really feel like getting sandy. But yeah, pretty. We were going to get the drone up, but we must be too close to the airport which sucks because it is beautiful.
There's actually a plane coming in right now. Don't know if you'll really be able to pick it up, but yeah. Tell you what though, we've picked a day for it. It's like literally not a breath of wind around here. So good. I'm so off it that my hand's cut up. Otherwise we'd be down on the beach swimming around. I mean, we should go down there anyway and just set the brolly up and chill out down there for a few hours, but yeah, we'll see. Just off it. Sucks. I hate hurting myself. It's the worst thing. Anyway, that'll teach me for looking for crabs. Righto, well that is a wrap for today. We decided to come down Cable Beach. We got ourselves a Domino's pizza. Yep. Got a beer. We're on. Sunset on Cable Beach. How good. Righto guys, well that is it for us at Broome. We're off. We just packed up. We're heading up to Cape Leveque now, which will be pretty cool. We're up there for 4 nights. Yeah, hopefully we'll get in the water and do a bit of spearfishing. Hopefully. Anyway, we'll see you up there. Hope you enjoy guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That would really help us out. Cheers. This week we are heading into Pender Bay. We're just at the turn off now. That's a tiny little bloody lure you got on. Look, I only had one hook on it as well. Off he goes. Beautiful. Do it all again.